how to fix any Instagram DMs problem easily and fast. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any DMs problem easily and fast. First thing you have to do is simple. Just go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager and then go to apps, and on this page as you can see we'll find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do is click on Instagram, and after you click on it, it will take you to this page. This is the app informations page. Now all what you have to do here is click on the permissions first. Make sure to enable all those permissions and then go back and click on the data usage option. Scroll down, make sure to enable the background data and roaming data. Go back again and this time go to the storage and make sure to clear data and clear cache, then go back. Now all what you have to do is click on the power usage details, click on app launch and make sure to enable this option. Then click OK, go back, click on force stop and then reopen the app, and the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe.